This is going to be a night ride on elevator PL13 on the Royal Caribbean cruise. Watch out the window. We're going all the way up to 14. That one's here on 6. It's 1 in the morning, so nobody's out right now. This is a perfect chance to film the elevators here. Here's the outside. Here on the 14th floor. And I guess we're going down to 2. Yeah, we're going to the 2nd floor. I'm gonna try to get one of these elevators. These two only go to the 12th floor, so. And there's also a separate indicator that changes with the left directional indicator. These are KONE, 24 person capacity, 1,800 kilograms. Here on 2. And by the looks of it, there's no one here, but this is what the lobby looks like. And the other elevator is broken. The other glass one is broken, so. Here we're going down to 1. Alright, let's go to 10. Let's watch out the doors. You can actually see that these two indicators are not in sync, and I don't know why. It's like the left one changes like a Schindler does, and then this one changes when it gets to the floor. So I don't know. All right, here on the 10th floor, let's go ride this one. Okay. All right, here's that one. Number 1. Starts off smooth. It's a big red dog on the 6th floor. I don't know what that's doing there, but here on 1. Let's go to 12. It actually does have a voice, but it's very faint. The indicator changes lightning fast. This indicator can't even keep up. And it's a little off-centered on certain floors, but that's okay. Around the 12th floor, yeah, you can see the 13th and 14th floors up there.
Going down.
Okay, back down to 1. Yeah, you could actually see that it says the next stop that it's going to with these elevators. And they change the sign every night at midnight, which is pretty cool. Here on 1. I don't know where the other one is, but. Alright. I will end it on the 5th floor. And yeah, the 4th floor is the main floor on the ship. Here on 5, yeah, there's the promenade over there, so. Staircase. This is pretty nice here. It's a directory of the boat. Here are your elevators once again. And oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, you can't see the door equipment or anything from here, but that's that. this is pretty nice. And the other set of elevators is all the way over there. It's pretty much the same thing as these ones, except these ones have 2 sets of glass elevators. The other bank only has 1. But yeah, this is basically, yeah, there's the dining room. There's 3 different levels to that. So anyway, that's gonna be it.